how to add overlay in CapCut PC. So let's get started. Adding overlays in CapCut for PC is a fantastic way to layer extra images, videos, or effects. So firstly, open CapCut on your PC and create a new project. Import the main video photos you will be working with by clicking on Import and dragging it onto the timeline. Then click on Import again to add the overlay element. Simply, you can import two videos. Then drag the overlay file from the media library onto the timeline, placing it in a new layer above your main video photos. CapCut will automatically create a new track for the overlay on the timeline. Now, you can see there is only one video available on the screen. So in order to make it overlay, you need to position and resize this video. Now select the overlay on the preview screen to adjust its size and position. Now drag the overlay from the bottom to move it around the screen and use the corner handles to resize it as needed. You can trim or extend the overlay clip on the timeline by dragging the edges. This determines how long the overlay appears in this video. So now with the overlay selected, you can simply customize various things like opacity, blending, filters or effects, and as well as animations. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.